Careful. Take it slow.
Remember now.
Ah.
Wait.
Yeah, I told you it's not for the motorcycle.
Wait
Tires.
a minute. Motorcycle and excavators. Wait a minute. Excavators and motorcycle. The motorcycle is right here, and the excavator is right here.
Ah, okay.
Both of them drive.
Ah, both of them drive. Okay. How did you know that?
I know it using my mind.
What?
My mind.
Your mind?
Yeah, I use it in my mind.
You have a bright mind?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Ah, very good. Oh, careful, careful. Careful. Oh.
Following the track.
Careful. Oh, see? You see? Careful, ha? Dandahan lang, anak. Wait lang. Wait mo si daddy. Wait mo si daddy.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
Oh, don't touch.
Blue. There's something blue. It's like an excavator.
Yeah. Okay. I will hold you.
That is the excavator. I find the excavator.
Dandahan naman, anak. Madulas tayo. You're so fast naman to. Dandahan lang.
What is it? Going to the track.
Don't run. Don't run. Just walk. Yeah. Hindi ka nadudulas na, ak? Yeah. Yes.
Mama, I remember now. The excavator is right in here, and I saw the track. So, like an excavator track. Hey, don't step in the excavator track. Don't.
Good morning, guys. So ito na yung dati namang dinadaanan, no, guys. So bago umulan, diretso yan. Diretso yan hanggang doon. Puro nga, guys, din nyo. Nagkaroon siya ng gap. So dinaanan siya ng malakas na ragasan ng tubig. So nagkaroon siya ng uka. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. So mabuti na lang walang sasakyang naka-standby dyan sa taas na yan. Pag nandito ako, dyan naka-standby yung sasakyan sa taas na yan. Ayan. So ayan. Nagkaroon siya ng napakalalim, guys.
Oh my
So
God.
nagkaroon siya ng
Oh my God. There's
uka. So napakalalim. Ang laki.
How I want to
Ang laki ng nabiyak.
to the other side.
So dito dumaan yung tubig. Ayan. So galing sa bundok. So ito galing sa bundok, guys. Tumaas ito. So dito siya dumaan. So yan, binutas niya yung kalsada na yan. Ayan. Wait lang, anak. Ayan, so yan ang laki, oh. Ngayon buti na lang, wala sasakyan na naiwan doon sa taas kasi kung nagkataon, hindi na siya makakalabas. Pwede siguro dun sa kabilang isa lalabas. Pero madulas din doon. So ito yung nangyari, guys. Napakalaki
Ako, Daddy. Nawawi.
Uwi ka na? Okay. Yan, guys.